Hi guys, Dr. B here. So, question was brought up, how do you know if it's a spectator ion? It's a good question. Excuse me. So, if you were given this, hopefully, let me see, is it balanced? This is a balanced reaction. And it wants you to break down what is the overall, how do you know if it's a spectator ion, etc. What's the net ionic equation? So you have to look at each of the things that make up the reactants and the products. If it's aqueous and ionic, most likely it will ionize. If it's aqueous but it's not ionic, it won't ionize and won't split up into various ions. If it's a solid, it will not ionize. If it's a liquid, it won't ionize. If it's a gas, it will not ionize. If it's an acid that's put into solution, it may ionize if it's considered a strong acid, and there are a handful of those. So that's something that we'll have to cover. So how do you know if it's a spectator ion? So you look at this first one, AgNO3. So this is a nitrate, so silver nitrate. So this will ionize. And remember in your lecture they talked about the snap ions, sodium, ammonium, potassium, nitrate. Those are considered soluble for the AP exam. So plus Na plus aqueous plus Cl1 minus aqueous. I'll put an arrow here. I'll kind of do this on top of each other so you can kind of see what cancels out. So this is all my reactants. Now my product is AgCl. This will not ionize. Plus sodium aqueous and nitrate, which ionizes. So we can see just by looking at how this is layered, or stacked, I guess what you want to say, you have some commonalities on both the reactants and the product side. Your sodium ions are both present on both sides, so that will go away. And then the NO3s are present on both here and here. So if you were to ask you what are your spectator ions, it would be Na plus and then NO3 minus. So what we did earlier, this was the overall reaction. Now we're going to do the net ionic. So it would just be whatever's left over. Ag plus aqueous plus Cl1 minus aqueous makes AgCl solid. All right, that's it for now. Let me know if any questions. Okay, thanks. Bye.